You've been carrying stories inside you that the world is waiting to read. Not because you're famous, not because you have a big platform, but because what you've lived through, someone else is still fighting to survive. And your breakthrough could be the blueprint that sets another woman free. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you stopped doubting yourself and just started? Right now, Black women across the world are turning quiet moments into digital income. Take Danielle Leslie, for example. She turned her expertise into an online course and an ebook framework that helped her generate over $10 million. Or Maya Elias, who teaches women how to own their story and packaged her process into a signature digital product that sells every single day. They didn't wait for a book deal. They created their own success story and made it profitable. So what's stopping you from doing the same? You don't have to be an expert in everything. You just have to know something deeply enough to teach it clearly. Your first ebook could be a guide to starting a business with no funding, how you healed after a breakup, how to meal prep on a budget, or how to build confidence when you've been overlooked your whole life. Your life is the content. What part of your journey do people always ask you about? And when it comes to writing that ebook, there isn't just one way. You can write it from scratch. Just open a Google Doc and brain dump. Or you can record yourself speaking, transcribe it using tools like otter.ai, then edit the transcript into a polished guide. Hate writing? Use AI to help you outline and format it. The point is, there are no excuses anymore. You don't need to be a writer. You need to be real. Which method feels easiest for you to start today? Now let's talk about platforms, where and how to sell. The most beginner-friendly? Amazon KDP. Upload your ebook, choose your price, and Amazon handles the rest. Another option is Gumroad, where you keep more profit and can build a direct email list of your buyers. Or use Payhip, which lets you bundle your ebook with other offers like planners or templates. You don't need to pick just one. Test and see what your audience prefers. What if one $15 product could earn you $150 over and over again? But here's another little-known method. Did you know you can buy the rights to already written ebooks, rebrand them, and resell for profit? Look for PLR, private label rights. Books or resale rights ebooks on sites like IDPLR or PLR.me. Or browse Amazon for older books in the public domain, especially in self-help or business. Download the content, revamp the layout in Canva, add your name or brand as the presenter, and start selling. You didn't write it, but now it works for you. Imagine flipping a $7 ebook into a $25 polished version with a luxury design. Would you try it? You can even offer bundles, ebook plus workbook plus affirmation cards, or upsell with a digital journal. And if you're building a brand, add your logo, color scheme, and personal story to make it feel you. This is how faceless digital brands stand out, through elegance, clarity, and value. How would it feel to sell something that looks expensive and only cost you time? Now let's be clear, the real profit isn't just money, it's impact. It's when someone sends a message saying, "Your ebook helped me start my business." Or, "I cried reading chapter 3, I felt seen." That's the kind of currency that lasts. And the best part? You did it quietly, on your terms, with nothing but your words and your wisdom. What would happen if you believed your story was worth charging for? This isn't about being loud. It's about being strategic. While everyone else chases followers, you're building assets. Digital products don't expire. They don't sleep. They don't argue. They show up when you don't feel like showing up. They earn while you rest. What would passive income allow you to stop doing? You deserve luxury, but not just the kind you wear. You deserve the luxury of choice, of silence, of waking up and doing life your way. Selling ebooks won't make you rich overnight, but it will remind you that your voice is valuable, that what you've survived is sellable, that your mind is a moneymaker. Who taught you that quiet women couldn't be powerful ones? If this message sparked something inside you, take action now. Don't overthink. Don't plan forever. Start the draft. Search the PLR site. Sketch the cover. You're not too late. You're right on time. If this inspired you even 1%, hit that like button and subscribe. We're building something beautiful here. Luxury, income, and purpose without noise. And share this with the woman who's sitting on a story that could set her free and make her money.